Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we discussed about what Angular material is, its key features and advantages, and also we discussed something about environmental setup. In this video, we will have a demo on how to add Angular material to our Angular project. So I have an Angular project up and running in my localhost 4200. It's just a starting application of Angular. I have my Visual Studio, and in the CLI we will in the Visual Studio using the CLI we will add Angular material library to our project. So if you see the PPT, this command will add Angular material to our project. So let's do that. Now I have executed this command. So here the CLI is adding Angular material to our application. If you see, it's asking us a question. Do we need to set up Angular material typography style? Yes. Set up browser animation for Angular material? Yes. Then only it will have all the animations required for our Angular material. So it will have all the animation that are required to work properly. Now the ng@Angular material command is successfully executed. So if you see, you can see there is a message here, updated app module.ts. Then there is an Angular JSON file which is edited, updated. Index page is updated and the style.cs is also updated. So in the PPT, I have mentioned like it will add the project dependencies to package.json. Let's see the package.json to see what it does. It added. So in the package.json, if you browse down, you can see the Angular material is added to the dependencies, and the version which is used is 9.2.2. Also, it has modified the index.html. So if you see, there are few other styles getting added here. Okay, and also in the style.scss you can see it has added Roboto as the default font family to our application. Yeah, so we are well we are good with the adding the Angular material to our application. Now we'll see a live demo of how to use Angular material in our application. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thank you so much.